Can a €94 keyboard really deliver QMK, hot swap, and gasket mount without cutting corners? Let's find out. Here's what you get. 82 keys mechanical keyboard. The V1 is a fully customizable mechanical keyboard ready for any situation. It's a great option to introduce you to the custom keyboard world while every component can be easily assembled. With its compact 75% layout, acoustic silicone pad, the V1 is designed for ultra-typing comfort and boost productivity. Fully customizable from the inside out. To build a fully customizable keyboard, we designed every component easily assembled, including keycaps, switches, gasket, plate, and case foam if you want. With QMK and VIA support, you can easily program and remap each key on the keyboard. The open-source firmware means endless possibilities for keyboard layouts, shortcuts, backlight effects, and more. And hot swappable support. With the mechanical tactile brown switch provides unrivaled tactile responsiveness with up to 50 million keystroke lifespan. You can also hot swap the V1 with almost all of the 3-pin and 5-pin MX mechanical switches on the market, including Cherry, Keychron, Kale, Panda, etc., without soldering required. The PCB-mounted screw-in stabilizer for big keys, such as spacebar, shift, enter, and delete are designed for less wobbliness and smooth performance. Full QMK/VIA programmability at this price point is rare, giving you complete control over key mapping, layers, and macros without needing to flash firmware each time. You can customize on the fly with the VIA software, making it a dream for productivity enthusiasts and gamers alike. Competitors like the Royal Kluge RK61 only offer basic software, so this is a huge win for Keychron. The hot swappable PCB supports both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, so you can experiment with different mechanical switches without soldering. This opens up the entire aftermarket switch ecosystem, from tactile to linear, allowing you to tailor the feel to your preference. It's a huge plus for newcomers who want to try different switches without committing to a permanent choice. Gasket-mounted design provides a softer, more uniform typing feel compared to tray-mounted boards. The silicone gaskets absorb some of the vibration, resulting in a deeper, more pleasant sound profile. This is usually reserved for keyboards costing twice as much, so getting it under €100 is impressive and elevates the typing experience significantly. Included PBT double-shot keycaps are more durable than ABS and resist shine over time. The legends are crisp and the texture is slightly rough, giving a premium feel out of the box. Many budget boards ship with thin ABS keycaps that wear quickly, so Keychron's choice here is commendable and adds long-term value. South-facing RGB LEDs reduce interference with cherry profile keycaps, allowing the legends to be fully illuminated. This is a thoughtful design choice because many aftermarket keycap sets are cherry profile. The RGB is bright and customizable through QMK, though not as vibrant as some north-facing boards. It ensures compatibility with your favorite keycaps. The plastic case feels a bit cheap and hollow, and the overall build quality doesn't match the premium feel of aluminum boards. While the gasket mount helps, the ABS case can flex slightly under heavy typing, and the stock stabilizers are mediocre, often needing lubrication and Band-Aid modding to eliminate rattle. This makes it feel less premium than its price suggests. The keyboard is wired only, which is a significant omission in a market where wireless options are becoming standard at this price. Competitors like the Maker TH80 offer Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz connectivity for a similar cost, giving you more flexibility for a clean desk setup or portable use. If you need wireless, this is a deal breaker. The keycaps are OEM profile rather than cherry, which some typists may find less comfortable for long sessions. Also, the stock switches, Keychron Jupiter or Keychron's own, are decent but not exceptional. They can feel scratchier than premium switches like Keychron Oil Kings or Novel Keys Creams. You'll likely want to replace them for a smoother experience. The lack of a rotary encoder or dedicated media keys is a missed opportunity for a productivity-focused keyboard. While you can program media controls via QMK layers, having a physical knob for volume is more convenient. Many competitors in this price range now include such features, making the V1 feel a bit bare-bones. The Keychron V1 is an excellent gateway into custom mechanical keyboards for under €100, offering QMK, via, hot swap, and gasket mount. However, its plastic build and lack of wireless hold it back from being a top recommendation for everyone. If you don't mind a wired connection and plan to mod it, it's a solid choice. Check the link in the description for the best current price on the Keychron V1, and let me know in the comments if you prefer wired or wireless keyboards.